Today, I'll walk you through how to use Kling AI, one of the most advanced and accessible free video generators currently available. Whether you're a content creator, filmmaker, or just exploring AI, this detailed guide will help you create amazing videos effortlessly. Let's begin by setting you up with Kling. First, open your web browser and visit the Kling website. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up. It's fast and easy. After logging in, you'll see this interface. I understand it might seem a little intimidating at first with all the options and settings, but I assure you by the end of this tutorial, everything will make sense. Our first step is to ensure we're using the latest version of Kling. This is essential because version 1.6 introduces some fantastic new features that we'll dive into during this session. To find this, click on the AI videos and look for a drop-down menu in the top left corner of your screen. Click on it and select version 1.6. This simple step ensures you have access to all the latest and greatest features Kling has to offer. Let's dive into what makes version 1.6 stand out. One of the most notable upgrades is its ability to produce videos in full HD quality, delivering crisp 1080p resolution that gives your content a professional and refined look. But it's not just about visual excellence. Version 1.6 has also become significantly more intelligent in interpreting your instructions. This means the AI is now better equipped to understand your descriptions and deliver exactly what you envision for your video. With a clear grasp of what version 1.6 offers, let's begin creating our first video. Kling gives us two main methods to generate videos. We can either describe what we want using text, or we can start with an existing image and bring it to life. For this tutorial, we'll start with the text to video method. Look for a box on your screen where you can type in your ideas. This is called the prompt box. Think of something interesting you'd like to see in a video. For our example, let's use the prompt. A young woman sitting on a bench at the park scrolling her phone. Below the prompt box, you'll notice some additional settings. This is where you can choose aspect ratio, how many videos you want the AI to generate if you are using the paid version. You can also write things you don't want to see, like blur or distortion. Once you're happy with your settings, it's time to hit the generate button. It might take a lot of minutes due to the high demand, unless you are using the paid version, which you can get it by paying for their best offer for just $30 for now, which is 70% discount. But since we are both broke, I'm gonna just stick to free version. After it's done, take a good look at what Kling has created for you. If you use the same prompt as me, you should see a woman sitting on a bench at the park using her phone. Pay attention to the details. Notice how the people in the background are moving smoothly, almost as if they were real. This level of detail on realism is a significant improvement from the older version, which might have missed key elements or made the background look unrealistic. Now that we've successfully created a video from text, let's try the image to video feature. This is where things get really exciting, because you can take any still image and bring it to life. Look for an upload image button on your screen, click it, and choose a picture from your computer. For this example, let's say we've chosen a photo of a woman holding a phone. After you upload the image, you'll see another prompt box appear. This is where you tell Kling what you want the woman in the photo to do. Let's type a woman taking a selfie, and again, give it a few minutes to generate the video. Using image to video is actually quicker than text to video. When your video is ready, play it and watch closely. You should see the woman actually taking a selfie, not just standing still holding the phone. This demonstrates how good version 1.6 is at understanding and following your instructions. It's not just animating the image, it's interpreting your prompt and creating a logical action based on it. Kling 1.6 really shines when it comes to creating realistic-looking people. Don't be afraid to get creative with your prompts. Here I tried making a dog riding a motorcycle in Paris. The results are actually amazing. You can see the dog actually riding the motorcycle in Paris. The more you experiment, the more you'll discover what Kling is capable of. It's important to remember, though, that while Kling is incredibly advanced, it's not perfect. Sometimes it might misunderstand your instructions or add unexpected details to your video. Like this video, you can notice it's not perfect. Kling launched a new feature called Try On. It allows you to upload an outfit, select a model, and switch instantly. Let me show you how. Click on AI Images, select Virtual, Try On. Now upload your clothing image. You can upload a single garment like a dress, or select multiple garments with top and bottom. I'm gonna upload a dress. Next, select a model from recommended list or upload your own. I'm gonna choose one from here. Next, choose number of outputs and click Generate and have your images ready in a minute. If you want to take this a step further, click on Bring It to Life and give it a prompt and generate the video of a model showcasing the outfit. Look how good it looks. When you've created a video you're happy with, look for a download button to save it to your computer. From there, you can use it however you like. I upload a new video every week here. Subscribe and ring the bell so that you don't miss out, and I will see you next time. Goodbye for now.